In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Figma MCP to Antigravity. This process is essential for those working in design and development who want to leverage the seamless integration between these two powerful tools. To begin, ensure that you have the Antigravity desktop app installed on your system. Once you have it ready, go ahead and open the app. This is your starting point for establishing the connection. Now, as you navigate through the Antigravity interface, turn your attention to the right-hand menu. Here, you will find various options that help you manage and customize your workspace. Locate the Agent tab in this menu. This tab is crucial as it allows you to access and manage different server connections. Next, direct your gaze to the upper right corner of the screen within the Agent tab. You should see a three-dot icon. This icon serves as a gateway to more options and settings, so go ahead and click on it. By doing so, you will unveil a drop-down menu with several choices. From the drop-down menu, select MCP servers. This option is key as it lists all the available MCP server connections you can establish. Once selected, you will be presented with a search bar. This is where you will enter the specific server details you need. Type Figma Dev Mode MCP into the search bar. This particular server is designed to integrate Figma's development mode functionalities with Antigravity. It allows for a more dynamic interaction between your design files and the Antigravity environment. Make sure your spelling is correct to avoid any search errors. Upon finding the Figma Dev Mode MCP in the search results, click on it. This action will take you to a detailed page about the server. Here, you will see an option to install. Click on the Install button to initiate the connection process. Your system will now begin to integrate the Figma MCP with Antigravity, allowing the two platforms to communicate effectively. As the installation progresses, you may see some prompts or notifications. These are normal and might require you to grant permissions or confirm actions. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. And there you have it. You have successfully connected Figma MCP to Antigravity. This integration will enhance your workflow by allowing you to combine the intuitive design capabilities of Figma with the powerful processing and management tools of Antigravity. Enjoy the seamless experience and the added efficiency in your projects. Remember, if you encounter any issues, checking the official documentation or reaching out to support can be incredibly helpful.